Hello everyone, today I am going to provide you exercise questions and answers of chapter 11 Digestive System of Biology class 9. First is short answer type questions. Question number 1, what is digestion? What do only animal requires a digestive system? The answer is digestion is any change which makes the food soluble and of such chemical nature that it can be absorbed readily through living membranes. Animal requires digestive system because it breaking down of complex food molecules into simpler form. These simpler molecules can then be absorbed and utilized by the body. Question number 2. What are the end products of the digestion of starch, proteins and fats respectively? The answer is the end product of starch is first maltose, then glucose. In protein, it's amino acid, and for fat, fatty acid and glycerol. Question number 3. Why is there no enzymes to digest vitamins? Answer is there is no enzymes to digest vitamins because most vitamins act as catalyst or enzyme in essential chemical changes in the body. Question number 4. How is thorough chewing of food helpful in digestion? Answer is chewing of food helps to break down complex food material into simpler substances. Saliva present in mouth help to moisten the food which can be easily swallowed. Question number 5. What is the function of rectum? Answer is rectum temporarily stores undigested food and wastes. Question number 6. What is roughage? Give two examples. Roughage is the undigestible portion of the diet. Examples are fruits and vegetables. Question number 7. Mention two ways in which the ileum of a mammal is adapted for the absorption of digested food. The answer is it is narrow, which slow the movement of food, thereby allowing absorption. Number 2. It is very long, more surface area provided. Question number 8. The stomach secretes gastric juice which contains hydrochloric acid. What is its function? The answer is it kills any germs which may have entered along with the food. And another is it activates pepsin to act on proteins. Now is long answer type question. Question number 1. Prepare a possible vegetarian menu for your dinner which would provide all the necessary nutrients. The answer is cereals, pulses, green leafy vegetables, root vegetables, fruits, milk, fats and oils, brown sugar and jaggery. Question number 2. What are the main characteristics of an enzymes? Number 1. It is a protein and is therefore destroyed by heating. Number 2. It acts only on one kind of substance called substrate and it is specific. Number 3. It is always forms the same end product from the substrate. Number 4. Like a catalyst, it can be used again and again. Number 5. It acts best only at a particular pH. Question number 3. Why is the small intestine most important organ of the digestive system? Answer is small intestine is the most important organ of the digestive system because it serves both for digestion and absorption. Question number 4. How is the liver an important organ in our body? Liver is an important organ in our body because it controls blood sugar level, it controls the amino acid level, it produces bile which helps in breakdown of fats. Liver detoxifies substances including drugs and alcohol, and last but not the least, it synthesizes of fetal red blood cell. Question number 5. Define the following terms. Number A. Peristalsis. Peristalsis is the wave of constriction caused by the circular muscles of the gut pushing the food along. Number B. Omnivore. Omnivores are organisms that consume both plants and animals. Example, human being. Number C. pylorus. The opening of stomach into intestine is called pylorus. Number D, kilocalorie. A kilocalorie is a unit of energy. It is the energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water by 1 Celsius. Number E, assimilation. Assimilation is the conversion of the absorbed digested food into body material. Question number 6. List the enzymes and their action on food in the stomach and intestine. First is stomach. The enzyme is pepsin. It acts on protein and convert it into polypeptides. Next is small intestine, and the first part of small intestine, duodenum. The enzyme secretes from duodenum amylopsin, which converts starch into maltose. Another is trypsin, which convert proteins and polypeptides into small peptides and amino acid. Another from duodenum is strypsin, which convert emulsified fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Now, the next part of small intestine is ileum, and the enzymes are iriepsin. It converts proteins and peptides into amino acids. Next is maltase. It converts maltose into glucose. Next enzyme is sucrase, which converts sucrose into glucose and fructose. Next is lactase, which converts lactose into glucose and galactose. Next is lipase, which convert emulsified fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Question number 7. Give any 4 reasons why water is necessary in our body. The answer is it acts as a solvent in the body for organic and inorganic substances. It used to produce digestive juices. It is used in the excretion of soluble wastes. It helps to maintain the body temperature. Question number 8. You have been supplied with a sample of food. How will you perform tests for the presence of starch and protein in it? First is test for starch. A little starch powder is shaken in a test tube with some water and then boiled to make a solution. When the solution is cold, add a few drops of iodine solution. Iodine solution be prepared by dissolving 1 gram iodine and 1 gram potassium in 100 ml of distilled water. The solution should be diluted before using. The starch solution would turn blue-black, including the presence of starch. Foods like potato and rice give a positive taste of starch. Next is test of protein. Place a piece of hard-boiled egg white in a test tube. Add a few drops of concentrated nitric acid, enough to immerse the sample of the food taken. One should be very conscious in using acids. Heat the test tube gently, then cool the test tube by placing it under tap water. And add ammonium hydroxide. You would notice a color change, first from a white precipitate to yellow upon heating, and then from yellow to orange upon adding ammonium hydroxide.